wanna take you out, show you the time of your life. I wanna figure out what it takes to give you everything you desire. I wanna lay beneath the stars with you in the back of my truck. I guess that this is what they call love. Baby, you've been driving me crazy for so long now. I've been waiting on the sidelines, praying for the right time to let you know.
Bleib mal da kurz stehen, Amelie.
upon every word you said, every coffee in your tiny bed. If I could have another chance to be there, I would do it all again. But I lost you, so there's only so much that I can do, like take down all the pretty pictures, put away that old guitar you played for me, forget the way you used to hold me, baby, and sell all the memories. When you used to write me poetry, you would tell me about my history. If I could have another chance to be there, I would really hear you out. Now I'm waiting, yeah, for the pain to release me.
Was ist los, Süße?
Du willst zum Mittagessen kommen, hat Mama gesagt.
Alles klar. Was bist du denn so süß drauf? Bist du glücklich?
Ja.
Ah.
Und auch weg. Hoffentlich. Papa, eine Tomate ist schon reif.
Wie bitte?
Eine Tomate ist schon reif.
Echt?
Ja.
Da musst du heute Abend mal mit Mama gucken gehen. Nee, Minimum 50.
of a lullaby. If I never see